Sanks Machining is your typical job shop. We support the defense industry, the tool and die, automotive, textiles, construction, metal processing. The technology has changed here at Sanks Machining based on a really good customer base and a good core business that my father started to keeping up with customer demand. My dad built this business on helping people. I saw that opportunity and the opportunity that those customers were willing to give to Sanks Machining, and we had to pursue the technology to do that. So the first Mazak we bought was a quick turn 250 MY, which allowed us to turn and mill in the same machine and process parts that much faster and more accurately than moving from turning center to machining center. So we decided to go with a multitasking machine because there was a lot of parts that were fairly simple parts that required something as simple as a drilled grease hole or a set screw hole or a milled flat to complete that part. Well, when you set it up in a lathe and you're done turning it, now it's got to wait and it's got to sit before a mill opens up and we can finish it. So we decided that that's why even for those simple jobs, we needed to process that part in one machine, not two machines. Our machines on the shop floor are probably 85% programmed with Mazak, especially the turning centers with live tooling. They're programmed on the floor, Mazak, conversational programming. It's faster. We don't have the disconnect between what actually works and what's going to happen on the shop floor and what's happening up behind a computer simulator. Milling, the more intricate stuff we do use G-code, EIA programming. 85% of the milling that we do is done with Mazak, programmed at the machine by the machinist, be it 20 years experience or 5 years experience. So the way we measure growth around here is, what are my opportunities? What are my opportunities for making investments back into my company with new technology? So what I like to do is I like to take the jobs that we have, a potential job that we might have, bring the two together, and that allows me to make a decision on maybe a new piece of equipment, a bigger piece of equipment. I look at growth by the amount of work that we do with just a few more machines, not just numbers.